Hi, I'm Scott Taylor, president of the Monroe Institute. We know that in times of stress and tension, that the energy that's inside of us just seems like it can leak out. Well, this week's meditation is designed to help with that. It's called Restoring Your Energy. And in it, we teach one of the most valuable tools we have here at the Monroe Institute. It's called the Rebal, which is an acronym for Resonant Energy Balloon. And it goes like this. Catch my artwork. This is great. Okay, so what we're going to have you do in this exercise is to breathe in sparkling, wonderful, fresh energy, full of energy, and bring it into your head. And then breathe out with the energy that's stale and used up. Breathe in sparkling energy, breathe out stale energy. And then that energy that's then stored in your head, I want you to be able to take it and then bring it out the top of your head and in through the bottoms of your feet. There we go. We can do that like this all around you. Yeah, just like that. And this creates this circular pattern of energy that's flowing out the top of your head down into the bottoms of your feet. And it creates this thing that looks kind of like a cocoon, so that all day you can be just floating around in this cocoon of your own energy, and it doesn't dissipate. It stays with you. So it's very good at keeping energy in, keeping your energy up, which is really helpful right now. The other thing that it does that makes this especially valuable is that this cocoon can also act as protection. So any unwanted energy that is coming at you, like the news, can then be just deflected off. It doesn't make it through that shield that is the resonant energy balloon. It's wonderful. And I tell you, because personal experience here, it goes like this. I was 20 years in the retail business. And when is the worst time for an energetic person to be around? It is at Christmas. So at Christmas, what happens is that people are in your store and they're just crazed. They're sitting there wondering, I don't have any ideas for Uncle Fred. And if I do, can I afford them? And I wonder if there's a size and like, where did little Billy go? It's great for that kind of thing. So if it works for the mall at Christmas, it can work for you as a way to keep out all of the tension and stress that other people are throwing at you that you don't need. You can be bathed in your cocoon of your own calm energy using the technique that's on this video called Resonant Energy Balloon. Do the meditation. See ya.